Hello, and welcome to the SharePoint Online Intermediate course. My name's Eddie Wantland, and I have been a SharePoint developer and consultant for 14 years plus, and I'd like to welcome you to this course of instruction. Who is this course for? Well, it's for students who have completed the SharePoint Online for Beginners course. Welcome back. Or you can have a basic understanding or some experience with the on-prem versions of SharePoint. In other words, you've had it once or twice at work in your work environment, you've worked with it on-prem, and you know the ins and outs. The course structure is much like any other, in that there's a beginner course where we learned rudimentary end user tasks. In intermediate, we're going to be focusing on hub and site ownership as well as site administration. And in the next course, we'll be getting into SharePoint administration as well as development. As you can hear by the tone in my voice, I am extremely excited to be with you and to get started. So let's go.